Hello Primary 5, welcome back with Miss Nella and Sir Duta on our thematic online learning. We will discuss about theme 4, water needs to be managed properly to fulfill our needs. Today we will discuss about Pdam, managing water to be used by the society. Pdam. What is Pdam? Pdam is government company that focuses in giving water access to the society. Pdam stands for Perusahaan Daerah Air Minum. Vision of Pdam is menjadi perusahaan profesional yang berkinerja sangat baik, memuaskan, dan terus berkembang. Missions are or goals are meningkatkan kualitas dan cakupan pelayanan penyediaan air minum bagi masyarakat Kabupaten Banyumas, meningkatkan pengelolaan perusahaan secara profesional dan peningkatan kompetensi, kesejahteraan, dan soliditas sumber daya manusia, penerapan gizi dan teknologi tepat guna, serta terus-menerus meningkatkan perolehan laba. Third, meningkatkan kontribusi pelestarian sumber daya air dan lingkungan, serta tanggung jawab sosial perusahaan. Okay, let's take a look the number of houses or companies that use Pdam in several years. As you can see on the table, there is increasing number of consumer every year. It means the needs of water for human and companies are increased. Look, how Pdam provide clean water to houses. The first process is they find the source of water, like groundwater, river, or lake. And then second process is they treat water with many process. So houses or companies will get clean water to fulfill their daily life. Like cooking, drinking, washing clothes, or others. After that, they store clean water in a reservoir and they send clean water through pipe installed in houses or companies. Okay, this is the process of water treatment, We call it Industri Pengolahan Air or IPA at Gunung Tugel. Source of water is from Serayu River. Okay, this is how the process of water treatment. First is coagulation. Second is flocculation. Third is sedimentation. Fourth is filtration, and fifth, put in the reservoir. And for the process of water treatment will be explained by Sir Duta.
Okay, let's continue to the first process of water treatment. First is coagulation. Coagulation is the first process of water treatment. Here, coagulation is a process where chemical is added to the water. As you can see that there are chemicals put in the water, and the point is to take all these impurities, the dirt of water, anything that is not going to be used as a clean water. The second one is fluctuation. After you put those chemicals in coagulation, you send the water to the next tank. In the next tank, fluctuation is the second process of water treatment. In here, fluctuation is a process where chemical is mixed slowly, creating a floc, trapping the impurities in the water. So basically, once the chemical is put in the water, in fluctuation, it will be circulated or mixed with some machine, and when it's mixed slowly, the chemical will have a reaction that create a bubble, that will trap all the dirty things in the water, most of the dirty things. And in the third process, after those flock is made, will be put in the sedimentation. Sedimentation is where you let water stand still or you let the water stay for several minutes or even hours. Yeah. So the flock, yeah, or the impurities or the unwanted solids like the impurities, the sand, the soil in is being processed. Yeah. It will goes to the bottom of the tank. And how does it happen? It just uses gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is a force, yeah, that pulls down things into the center of the earth. Just like you jump, you always go back to the earth. And same thing with this water. Because the flock takes all the impurities, yeah, most of the impurities will be heavy and it will go sink into the bottom of the water. And then once that happen, yeah, this water that is not at the bottom, the clean one, the cleaner one, will goes into the last process that is the filtration. Okay, filtration is the fourth method of water treatment. The water from the sedimentation will be sent to the last tank that have different layer of filter. It can be sand, it can be pebbles or small stones, and it can also be gravel or I mean no ashes, yeah, or coal, yeah. And this have different function. Filtration is a process of filtering the water from solid things, bacteria, the water color, smell, and taste. How does it happen? Because many filter like the sand, the pebble, the soil, or even other thing have different filter output. Yeah, that means that if it's filtered with sand, maybe all the dirt will be gone. If it's filtered with the stones, maybe the smell and the taste will be changed, yeah, and this will make the water cleaner, yeah. And most of the times, once those four processes done, the water is clean enough to be used for the people, yeah. Okay, now after those filter, this water will be distributed to the people or put in the reservoir. What is a reservoir? In here you can see the picture of two reservoirs. One is outdoor reservoir and the other one is the indoor reservoir. Indoor reservoir is closed, yeah, so the water is put inside the tank. But in the outdoor reservoir, the water is put outside the tank and it's usually located in a natural habitat, yeah, so that the air around it is clean and the water is not going to be polluted anymore by other things. And here, reservoir is actually a storage of water. If you have more water to be given to the people, the rest of the water will be put in the reservoir to be used other times. For example, if it's in the summer where there are less water because there's less rain, yeah, this reservoir water will be used to people, yeah, because usually the river is more, the stream of the river is less, the water in the underground is less, and you put this reservoir water to be sent to the people. Yeah, but if it's in rainy days, usually there's a lot of water, more water needed for the people that the Pdam can put them in a reservoir for other futures need. So this is one way we get clean water using a water treatment. In Indonesia, it is held by Pdam. And this is the government way to treat the water so it becomes clean from bacteria, drinkable, and can be used for everyday's activity. Imagine if you're living in a polluted water place and you're just using those water without cleaning them, without all the process. If you use them, first, you may get very itchy. Yeah. Second, yeah. Second of all, it have dangerous bacteria that is dangerous for your body. Yeah? And maybe you use it to clean your dishes or glasses, and there will be bacteria on those things, not getting cleaner, but it's getting worse. So make sure you have clean water at home for yourself and your family. Next, we're going to learn in the next lesson is about the water cycle, a natural way of how we get clean water. And to understand this process, we're going to take one example of the water treatment step, that is water filtration. And in here, you're going to take a photo of each step, and then you're going to show the before and after the water is being filtered. And then later on, you also have to fill in the worksheet, and then you post it on Thursday. The detail of this project will be given in the other part of Scholar. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to pray to God for all the knowledge that we had learned today. And thank you.